Oh yeah, I forgot. Do you know how to catch pokesirens? No. Okay, let me show you how. So get my pokeball out and throw it at the pokesiren, then it goes into it and it will be caught. But don't get too far. They sometimes will fail and get out, so watch out. Thanks for the help. No probs. Here are 5 pokeballs. Thanks. No probs. I'm going to train my pokesirens. You get to Chopper Town. Okay.
Hello. I wanna have a pokesiren battle.
I'm a fire in my laser!
Crap's falling. You. Oh, great job. Almost there.
Hey, over here. You must be Thunderbunt.
Yeah.
Professor Mega Blaster told me about you. He wants me to keep an eye on you, while they figure out what happened to your parents. Well, Meows is over here. Follow me.
Okay.
So, your parents were taken by Team Eclipse, huh?
Yes.
God, that must be awful. I bet you miss them. Do you have anything to remember them by?
Yes.
Oh, so they left you with that brick?
Yes.
Do you mind if I see it? Wow, this brick looks old and valuable. Thanks.
Okay. Stop right there, brick thief. Okay. There you are, Thunderbunt. Who was that siren taking off running right there? That was 3T22. She stole my brick. Wait, she stole the brick that your parents gave you. That was the last thing they gave you before they disappeared. We gotta go after her and get it back. I saw her running into the woods just outside the town. Meet me at the pokesiren center for pokesiren healing. Alright. Okay, here we are. Go talk to that siren. She will help your pokesiren get back to 100%.
Welcome to the pokesiren Healing Center. What can I do for you?
I need to heal my pokesirens. Okay, this will take 1 minute. Okay.
Okay, your pokesiren is healed. I hope you come back soon.
Okay, follow me. We need to get your brick app. Alright.